Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Topic is art and craft. Today we are going to see how to make dye paper clip using glitter foam sheet, children. Materials required are foam glitter sheet, any optional color, scissors, glue gun, hair clip and stapler. Okay children, let's we go. See children, these are that materials. Take any optional colors and you have to cut heart and shape of the petals, children. Okay, see children, you can take optional colors and you can take contrast color, children. See, like this children. Now take one petal and take another petal and paste it above the other. Okay children, see, like this you have to paste it above the other. See children. Now you have to make 5 petals like this, children. Okay? Yes. First apply glue and then you have to paste. Okay children? Yes. Then you have to cut rectangular strip like this. Okay? See children. Now take a hair clip and take the rectangular strip and paste it like this, children. See? Okay children? Yes. When you apply the glue, let it for dry. Okay children? Yes. Like this you have to paste it. Now take that petal, pinch the corner and take that stapler and put one stapler here. This corner only. Okay? It will look petal shape. See children, as shown in the video, you have to pin it. Okay children? Yes. When you staplering, please be careful and stapler it, children. Yes, like this. Okay children? Now cut it small circle of foam sheet. Okay children? Yes. Pin it very properly, children. Okay? Better you can sit your parents, children. Now take that petals and paste it overlapping the flaps, one above the other side. Okay children? Yes. See children? Looking very nice, no? See. Like this you have to paste it one above the other. See children, like this, one above the other side. Okay? Yes. Next, take that small circle of foam sheet. See, paste it in middle, like this. See children, paste it in middle. Okay? Yes children. See children. Yeah. Okay. See. As shown in the video, you have to paste it, children. It will look very nice. And make it flower shape also. Okay? Then take that clip, apply for some glue. See children, paste on the clip. Okay? Yes children. See children, clip is very nice. Wow, super, no? Yes. See children, now your beautiful clip is ready, children. Yes. See children, yes. Good, no? Dear parents and children, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest videos. Thank you children.